evening, everyone. Can we start? Is there anybody from Patna Sahodaya here? Or maybe I'll wait for some time. Yeah, I think it's 4 o'clock. I think we should start. Yes, those who are ready can put an R in the chat box so that we can continue. Sandhya madam, thank you. Diksha madam, Nidhi madam, all the Maninder sir, all of you, those who are writing, Sarika madam, Ria madam, Rajni madam, all those who are writing, Pooja madam, yes, R means it's ready. Okay, so welcome to today's session, which is on active learning through art integration. Somebody has put some link, I don't know what. And at the preparatory stage, we all know now 4 phases are there: foundational, preparatory, middle school, and then secondary school. So what we are doing is we will deal with preparatory stage. That is after the first 5 years of foundational, the next 3 years. Right? Thank you. Somebody's writing, nice to see you, ma'am. So let me share the screen. Yeah, I think the screen is visible now. Let me go to the full screen system. Yes. The chat is visible, but the problem is the name of is not visible. Yes. Some of you are writing your affiliation numbers. Yes. So we begin by expressing, let me express my gratitude to PSSC, to Dr. Shubhashri Sarkar for the invitation to the participants and the principals of the participating schools, right? So this is on active learning and art integration at the preparatory stage. I'm sure you know my name because some of you have written. Nice to see you. So let us analyze about learning. We are all teachers, right? All of us are teachers, and we all know, I'm sure you will agree with me, before a child talks, the child learns to sing, and before children write, they learn to draw, and before they stand, or as soon as they stand, they start dancing, right? Dancing means not the full-fledged dance form or the art form. It's like they are little rhythmic, yes. Sashi Simran, sir or ma'am? That's right. Somebody has agreed with me. And you know, art is fundamental to humans, right? If you agree with me, art is fundamental to human, kindly put an A in the chat box. And let us be very fast. The rules remain the same. If you put an A in the chat box, means you agree with me. Right. Sandhya ma'am is the first one to respond every time. I'm not able to see the names of people who are responding, but then I'm getting responses. So now you see, what does NEP 2020 say? NEP says art integration is a cross-curricular pedagogical approach. Cross-curricular because it integrates many subjects. So it is not only now drawing and painting or dramatics or music do not stand alone. Somebody has written so many A's. Okay. So now it is all integrated into the curriculum. Plus, and the art and culture, which is the basis of learning the concepts in the subject, the fundamentals, the concepts will be given to the children as per the art form which they are good at. Right? It is not only some children may be good at drawing, some children may be good at dancing, some may be good at listening to music and singing. Yes, that is the best concept. Absolutely. Thank you, ma'am. So art integration, enables children to internalize the learning, right? As a part of the thrust on experiential learning, art integrated education will be embedded in all classroom transactions, not only for creating joyful classrooms or joyful learning, but also for imbibing the Indian ethos through integration of art and culture in the teaching learning process, and that too at every level. It is not only foundational, and not because we are doing preparatory stage today, it is for every level, right from I normally say from KG to PG, every level art integration is necessary now. Why? Because these will make learning entertaining, enjoyable, permanent, as well as it will enable our children to imbibe Indian ethos, right? So this art integrated approach will strengthen the linkage between education and culture. Can you give just one example how the art integration will strengthen the linkage between education and culture? Just, I will wait for 60 seconds. You can put it in, yeah, storytelling. Storytelling on what? Why I am not able to get this, Wait, let me open the panel again. Yes, but the names are not visible. How can you say that art, the educate, role playing? Okay, Nikita madam and some others have also written role playing. So, but how role playing? How do you think the role playing will in teaching mathematics? How can we integrate education and culture while teaching mathematics or English or any subject? 30 seconds up. Clay modals, okay? Yes, Mala ma'am, absolutely. Festive decorations and all, very good, wonderful. When we stories means what stories? Yes, paintings, Madhubani painting, discussion and debate. Absolutely, ma'am. I'm unable to see the names. Let me see. When you do the Mentimeter, I will set it up again, Concepts like singing and all. Yes, drawing. Ranjita ma'am, drawing is a good method. And Sandhya ma'am is that concept staffing and recruitment can be easily explained through role play. Wonderful, wonderful. Where teachers have gone to staffing and recruitment. My God. So drawing is one good, because teachers draw fish and they draw flowers and all these things so that children understand better. Role playing, yes, to encourage students to be more, to exhibit critical thinking, and you see the situations from different perspective. Absolutely. Let me just see who has Niharika ma'am, superb answer, superb. Even Rajni Pandey ma'am writes celebration of festivals, wonderful, and will enrich students to know about their culture. Yes, so celebration, common celebration in schools, like we can depict safe Diwali, we can have Holi, and certain things, which we will tell children to, we will enable them to make their growing up healthy, not filthy. I repeat, when we celebrate some festivals together, we enable children to make their growing up healthy, not filthy. So this is the beginning, when we spend more time in the foundational thing, we can take it further fast. So this is the national curriculum framework for preparatory stage. You see, every step is a learning where the children are playing, even on the swing. Now, can you put in the chat box, what are the traits they are imbibing through this? What are the traits that they're imbibing through this? Through this picture. Madhu Sinha ma'am, music, dance, enhanced learning, absolutely. Yes, Niharika ma'am, grammar can be taught more interestingly. Collaboration, yes, collaboration. Then collaboration is a big skill. Shobha ma'am writes festival. Collaboration. Rekha Sinha ma'am, you've just written the name of your school. Preeti Sinha ma'am, teamwork. Absolutely. Teamwork is one thing which the children will learn whenever they are working together in a school. They're playing, they're sitting and having their tiffin. Collaboration, teamwork. Fatima ma'am is writing collaboration. Absolutely. All these things, they will enable children to develop not only collaboration, teamwork. Yeah, many of you have written collaboration and teamwork, but also tolerance, patience, participative spirit, group discussion. Yes, tolerating each other, patience, communication. Lot of skills are developed, and all these are embedded, helping each other. Absolutely, and all these skills are embedded in the Indian ethos, where you see, just let children feel proud. Project work in field, Madhuja ma'am, Manija ma'am, absolutely acceptance. All these things, respect each other, teamwork, teaching skill will enable children to evolve as morally upright, socially responsible citizens of the country. Right? If you agree with me, put an A in the chat box when I go to the next slide. Yes. So many of you. So it is learning through arts and learning with arts. Okay. So let us see the structure. All of us are aware of this structure. Foundational 5 years, preparatory 3 years, then comes the middle level 3 years, and then the secondary level 4 years. So I don't think anybody has a doubt on this. So all of you are well aware of this structure. We will do the second part, 3 years, how we take the subjects further. So before that, little bit of NEP. So NEP 2020 came up as a policy, then there was a curriculum framework, then the curriculum framework led to syllabi, teaching learning material, planning of syllabi, teaching learning material. Then what is happening now is the capacity building programs. So these capacity building programs will enable the teachers to enhance the teaching skills in the classroom. Because normally what happens is, sometimes, most of the, like when CC came into existence, most of us felt, yes, thank you, Manish Kumar sir. So most of the teachers feel, unless we are aware, unless we are deep-seated, how do we disseminate the knowledge? How do we carry it forward? So this is the reason why CBSE has planned, Sahodaya has planned for the capacity building program. So this, and then this, once the capacity building program, travelogue reading, yes, absolutely, absolutely. Whoever is saying, sometimes your names are visible, sometimes not visible. So Jasim sir, Vinita ma'am, all of you are answering, sometimes the name is not visible. So capacity building program and our syllabus planning, training, all this will lead to something called transformation in schools. Okay. So transformation at the school level. So once this transformation occurs, then all of us, the entire policy and the curriculum, everything is implemented thoroughly. And then the changes will be seen. So this is why a lot of activities, lot of capacity building programs are going on. Now, when we go to the next slide, what does the Indian National Education Policy, NEP 2020, what does it focus on? It focuses on early childhood care and education. See, you might have heard people saying, catch them young, right? Why do we say catch them young? And there's a book called All I Need to Know Is What I Learned in Kindergarten. So this is the right time. If the childhood care, yes, through activities, absolutely. If the childhood care is proper. Whatever education we want to give them is not only through reading and writing or writing and writing, it is through experience. So whatever experience we give our children during the formative years, during early childhood, and they learn and they grow and evolve as, again, responsible individuals who are independent, who are self-dependent, who can learn on their own, who can create things instead of copying. Learning by experience, Manish sir, absolutely, absolutely. Most of you are writing learning by experience. So for that, FLN is necessary, foundational literacy and numeracy. So what is the foundational literacy and numeracy? Numbers, right? Alphabets. And we know now the syllabi have been reduced. The syllabus is reduced. Why? To give a practical, connecting to all students. Absolutely. Absolutely, sir. Connecting, reduced curriculum burden. Now, why do you think the curriculum needs to be lessened? So that whatever children learn, they learn concrete. It is permanent learning. It is not for exams. It is not for marks. Rather, the learning gets internalized. So this is the reason why reduction in syllabus or curriculum to core essentials. Yes, thank you. Somebody's writing right, ma'am. So reduction in curriculum to core essentials, whatever is necessary. And now we are all focusing on competency-based education. Why competency-based? See, when there was a lot of competitions, how much learning did take place? Comprehend better than learning. Absolutely, Prabha ma'am. See, competition gives rise to unhealthy spirit as well. So now from competition to competence, right? It is from competition to competence. That is why competency-based education. Everybody cannot do everything. Smriti ma'am, thank you. Everybody cannot do everything. Yes, flexible learning. See, there's a saying, every flower blooms at its own speed, so do our children. So let us under Gurukul, yes. Competency, some people are good at certain things. Yes, cognitive is taken care of through competition, ma'am, Manisha ma'am. So competency-based education is now because of the focus of NEP 2020. Then we identify the core skills and content and enable children to focus on that. Then reimagining vocal education. So you must be thinking preparatory stage, what vocal education? So let us reimagine. Children, you see, देखिए पहले ऐसा होता था ना, I'm so sorry, I should have used both the languages. पहले ऐसा होता था कि लोग देखकर ही बता देते थे, और ये बच्चा आगे जाकर सिंगर बन सकता है, ये बच्चा आगे जाकर इंजीनियर बन सकता है, क्योंकि ये अपने टॉयज को खोल कर देखता है, ये बहुत कुछ समझने की कोशिश करता है. कुछ बच्चे जो शांत होकर बैठते हैं, कभी ऐसे भी पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं, दिस चाइल्ड कैन बिकम अ टीचर बिकॉज शी और ही इज सो मच इंटरेस्टेड इन एक्सप्लेनिंग. तो जैसे पहले पेरेंट्स टीचर्स देखकर बताते थे, एप्टीट्यूड फील करके एप्टीट्यूड बताते थे, उसी तरह these days, the teachers identify the reimagined vocational education, because कुछ बच्चे हैं, देखिए, it is not dignity of labor has to be there. It is not that आप nobody can make singing career. Okay, skill development, very good, skill enhancement. किसी के पास यदि कोई स्किल है, किसी के पास यदि कोई कला है, कोई आर्ट है, किसी के पास कोई अगर किसी चीज में निपुण है, तो they can take it up as a profession. You say stitching, ये टेलर है, तो आपको लगता है क्या टेलर प्रोफेशनलिज्म है. बट इफ यू से फैशन डिजाइनर, बुटीक है, तो डोंट यू थिंक पीपल सी इट इन अ वेरी डिफरेंट वे. So tailor is supposed to cut cloth and make a dress for you. But fashion designing, boutique, yes, skills involved, skill identification. They will fashion designing, boutique and all, they will involve creativity. देखिए, ये जो जमाना अभी आ रहा है ना, ये जो this era is era of passion and innovation. आप जितने इनोवेटिव होंगे, जितने क्रिएटिव होंगे, जितने आप डिजाइन कर पाएंगे, उतने ही आप आगे बढ़ेंगे. So let us enable our children to be like that. Let them not copy their own creation. Let them be very creative. Let them be very imaginative. Let them be very innovative, right? Can you give some examples? Yes, newness in creativity. What a wonderful word. You know, so pathetic. I don't know why the names are not visible. Alice ma'am, Prabha Jha ma'am says newness in old creativity. Wonderful. What a beautiful statement. Yes. Aziz sir is saying let them be themselves. Absolutely, absolutely. So now you tell me one thing. Absolutely. The people are writing absolutely. Alice ma'am. कुछ आप अपने एक्सपीरियंस से बताइए तो हाउ कैन बी और मे बी चिल्ड्रन इन योर क्लास वोकेशनल एजुकेशन को कैसे रीइमेजिन कर सकते हैं एक उदाहरण हमने आपको दिया वन एग्जांपल आई हैव गिवन यू right yeah somebody has written promote with prizes that is appreciation wonderful I have given you is of tailoring and fashion designing can you give some more examples where you know normally tailoring is cutting cloth and making a dress but fashion okay thank you Alice ma'am or sir what is can you give any example 30 seconds for this any example on reimagining we have to see with their eyes yes we have to see with their eyes any profession with creativity it is enhanced any profession thank you somebody has written a nice session can you write any anchoring wonderful fancy dress okay fancy dress anchoring making craft okay how making craft yeah make them come up with their ideas and draw creative fashionable represent yes देखिए art and craft is one और जैसे टेलरिंग एक जस्ट कुकिंग यस कुकिंग का क्या हो जाएगा नॉर्मल कुकरी विल टेक टर्न ऑन यूट्यूब चैनल्स राइट एंड यू से रुचि's किचन दिस वंस किचन यस एक कुकिंग हो गया एक टेलरिंग का फैशन डिजाइनिंग gardening innovative cooking right yes most of you are yes flameless cooking without fire any other profession जिसका हम रीइमेजिन कर सकते हैं वोकेशनल एजुकेशन के साथ बेकरी इज ऑल्सो मनोज सर बेकरी इज नो मनोज मैम आई थिंक एनीथिंग एनी अदर dancing news reporting yes very good news reporting to content writing yes Namita Prakash ma'am ceremony yes absolutely singing can also become a profession clay modeling right so there are so many aap log sab abhi tak to itne udaharan se to samajh hi gaye honge and there's no hard decoration okay किसी ने नहीं बताया इवेंट मैनेजमेंट इंटीरियर डेकोरेशन राइट जब हम अपने घर को सजाते हैं हम कहते हैं रीसेटिंग बट जब बाहर वाले आके पैसे लेकर करते हैं इंटीरियर डेकोरेशन designing right absolutely now multilingualism all of us know that now the third language will become compulsory right mother Indian language will become bake and cake right so it will become compulsory जैसे आप यदि हम लोग तो सीओई पटना के हैं और हम लोग इस एरिया में झारखंड में हैं तो नॉर्मली इंग्लिश हिंदी संस्कृत ये सब लैंग्वेजेस पीपल हु आर इन द साउथ हु आर इन द नॉर्थ दे हैव टू लर्न देयर मदर टंग आल्सो द वंस हु आर इन द वेस्ट दे हैव टू लर्न देयर यस फोटोग्राफी राजू सर एब्सोल्युटली फोटोग्राफी इज वन is a career I tell you vocational education का so we have come to multilingualism so multilingualism इसलिए है कि we have to reach out to the children यदि बच्चे समझेंगे नहीं वी से कनेक्ट बिफोर यू करेक्ट किस लिए यदि बच्चे आपकी बात समझेंगे नहीं तो if you are not able to reach out to children how will you enhance their learning this is the reason why NEP is focusing on multilingualism ये बहुत important है how many of you feel that talking to children in 2-3 languages will enhance their learning please put a capital A in L in the chat box. If you feel their learning will be enhanced with multilingualism, L, capital L, otherwise small l. L, yes. So all of you, most of you are putting L. Thank you. So you agree with me. फिर अभी लाइफ स्किल सिटीजनशिप एंड ह्यूमन वैल्यू ये एक एरिया आई एम श्योर यू विल अग्री विथ मी ऑल ऑफ यू विल अग्री विथ मी ह्यूमन वैल्यूज के साथ बहुत कॉम्प्रोमाइज हुए हैं कैन यू पुट द रीजन इन द चैट बॉक्स प्लीज ओ somebody has put so many else can you put the reason in the chat box लाइफ स्किल वैल्यूज के साथ क्यों कॉम्प्रोमाइजेस हो रहे हैं what is the reason for being compromised for getting compromised with the values आप चैट बॉक्स में डालिए I'm sure you agree with me. बहुत, you have all written. So agree with that fact that अभी value में बहुत compromising हो रहे हैं. Erosion of value, degradation of value, going down of value. हम सब, दीपांजलि मैम, thank you. हम सब इसकी बात करते हैं. Undue greed, very good. और क्यों हो रहा है ऐसे? Children are sensitive. Can you say why they are sensitive, ma'am? Exposure to mobile phone. I wish I could clap, and I could make everybody clap. Somebody has written exposure to mobile phone. That is, yes, low mental stamina, no socializing. My God, wonderful. No social. Prabha ma'am, answers you are giving. In fact, all of you, somebody who has written, Namita ma'am, mobile phone, somebody has written, lot of good things are coming up. Rana ma'am is writing exposure to mobile phone. Sandhya ma'am, all of you, most of you have written beautifully. And the fact is, no socializing. You will, parents not giving time. Absolutely, Nisha ma'am. Yes, see, we live in society. We lived in society. But our children are living in social media. Right? If you feel what I've said is right, put an R in the chat box. We live in society and our children are living in the social media. Yes, parents are not able to give attention. आप देखिए parents attention कैसे देंगे? Where everybody greed, किसी ने कहा, सबको पैसे चाहिए. Everybody wants to earn money. किस लिए? They're not for normal human, requirements or necessities. Everybody wants luxury. अभी जो सोशल मीडिया में ना, आप देखिए बच्चे कुछ भी पहनते हैं वो सोशल मीडिया में डालते हैं. द यंगस्टर्स जो यंग है, अभी बड़े हो गए हैं, द यंगस्टर्स, इवन दोज हु हैव मेड टीचर्स, दे वांट टू मेक रील्स. अभी करवा चौथ में भी रील बनते हैं, कार्तिक पूर्णिमा में भी रील बनते हैं, दुर्गा पूजा में भी रील बनते हैं, हर चीज में रील्स. Why? Because that is how children are making their presence evident. क्योंकि उनको सुनने वाला कोई नहीं है. Dear teachers, we have to give them, lend them our ears. ये सबसे बहुत important चीज है. ये सबसे बड़ी बात है कि lend them your ears. I am talking in the Shakespearean language. Let us lend them our ears. उनकी बात सुनिए, उनसे बातें कीजिए. Every time, if you have a 40 minutes period, plan your class for 30 minutes. If you have a 30 minutes period, plan your class for 20 minutes. 10 minutes तो उनसे बातें करिए. The more you talk to them, the more you listen to them, the less trouble you will have in the class. This I can give in writing. ठीक है? बच्चे सोशल मीडिया में इसलिए हैं क्योंकि सोसाइटी में उनको सुनने वाले कोई नहीं है. So please enable our children. They want to show off. Yes, ma'am, absolutely. They really want to show off. Why? Because nobody is seeing them otherwise. उनको समझाइए, by money we can buy food, but not appetite. With money we can have luxury bed, but not sleep. With money we cannot buy values. So यही तो बताना है बच्चों को कि values और value में क्या फर्क है. Human value is based on value system. If this statement makes sense for you and you feel what I'm saying is true, put a T in the chat box, right? Human value and values are interlinked. Yes, absolutely, absolutely. And abhi inclusive education is a must. पहले हम ऐसे बच्चों को gifted the special children को identify करते थे and we were sending them to the special educators and all. Money is not everything in life. It is something in life. That's true. So we train children with all this. बचपन से ही उनके दिमाग में डालिए value system क्या है, उनको scientifically बताइए. देखिए, it is not what is written on the slide I will read. What I'm trying to tell you is, let us all take a vow that we will bring about a change through our teaching learning process in the society. Yes, we have to grab their attention. जो बहुत easy है. Lend them your ears. Keep them occupied. Culture and civilization. Yes, they differ. Keep them occupied. Engagement. जिस तरह CBSE has kept us occupied. देखिए, I am engaged in giving you the session. You are engaged in answering. So keep them occupied. उनके दिमाग में don't शब्द का प्रयोग मत करिए. क्या करना है वो बताइए. Be positive all the time. That is what is life skills, citizenship, and human values. Let them channelize their energy. Yes, absolutely. That is the right term. Channelize their energy. Sandhya ma'am, wonderful. बच्चों को देखिए, the moment you make them realize, you give them scientific reason, you sensitize them, they are all yours. I'm telling you. जिस तरह आप हमें रिस्पॉन्ड कर रहे हैं, एंड आई एम गेटिंग द एनर्जी, द सेम वे गिव योर एनर्जी टू द चिल्ड्रन. let them get positive energy. देखिए दिस एंटायर, यस मनीष सर, नेवर लेट देम डाउन. रिस्पेक्ट फॉर इंडिविजुअल, ये सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट वैल्यू है. आप ऐसा कतई ना सोचे कितना छोटा बच्चा है उसको हम डांट फटकार के काम करवा लेंगे, एकदम नहीं. बच्चों को इंडिविजुअलिटी चाहिए, बच्चों को रिस्पेक्ट चाहिए. फ्रॉम केजी टू पीजी, everybody, all children want to be acknowledged, to be praised and to be recognized. इतना तो हम कर सकते हैं. ओके, शशि सिमरन मैम, सर, थैंक यू मैम. ओनली थैंक यू सो मच. आई एम ऑल्सो एंजॉइंग बिकॉज ऑफ योर रिस्पॉन्सेज, राइट. उनको हम बताएंगे व्हेन द स्लाइड, सब्सिक्वेंट स्लाइड्स, आई विल टेल यू हाउ टू गो अबाउट. एंड द फाइनल थिंग इज एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग. एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग का मतलब ये नहीं है कि एक्टिविटी ओनली. एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग इज the learning through their experience. Let them experience the learning that they are getting. If they experience the learning that they are getting, then I'm sure they will never ever forget it. है ना. आपको सभी को याद होगा पहली बार जब आप मूवी गए थे, पहली बार हमने जो किया वो याद रहता है. क्यों? क्योंकि हम बहुत लगन के साथ करते हैं, हमने उसको एक्सपीरियंस किया. पहली बार आपने आइसक्रीम खाया, वो याद रहेगा, right? Learning by doing and experiencing, and that experience, यदि हम वो बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस देंगे, children will cherish it lifelong. यदि हम घटिया एक्सपीरियंस देंगे, you know what it is, right? So let us give them good experience so that they learn properly. So what is important is not only to learn, but learn how to learn. If you agree with me, put a capital A in the chat box, otherwise a small a. Yes, so many of you are writing A. Absolutely. Most important is not only to learn, but learn how to learn. बहुत जन होते हैं, adults भी हैं, जो सीख ही नहीं पाते हैं. अपने बच्चे, we are teachers, we are lifelong learners, right? So अपने बच्चों को सिखाइए. सीखने से ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है किस तरह से हम सीखें और किस तरह से हमारी सीख हमारे साथ उम्र भर रहे, जीवन भर किस तरह से हम उसका सदुपयोग कर सके. That is called learning by experience, applying the learning how to learn, right? If you are ready, we can have a Mentimeter, please. Right? ये आप देख रहे हैं, ये Mentimeter है. Learn and reciprocate through action. Superb. ये Mentimeter को आप स्कैन भी कर सकते हैं. हमने लिख कर दिया स्टार्ट मेंटी स्टार्ट हो जाओ मेंटी. जैसे नो खुल जाओ सिम. So start Menti has started. You just have to go to www.menti.com. I repeat, www.menti.com. उस पे लिंक, उस पे करिए गूगल में, या आप इसको स्कैन भी कर सकते हैं यदि आपका स्कैनर है. और जब मेंटी खुल जाए menti.com तो 64511540 डालिए एंड रिस्पॉन्ड टू दीज क्वेश्चंस. जब आप AIL, आर्ट इंटीग्रेट, थैंक यू मैम, रेणु सिन्हा मैम, जब आप आर्ट इंटीग्रेटेड लर्निंग देख रहे हैं तो आपके दिमाग में क्या शब्द आ रहे हैं, तो यू प्लीज राइट, go to wait, I will put it in the chat box, www.menti.com. गूगल में जाइए या फिर इस लिंक पे क्लिक करिए www.menti.com. इस लिंक पे क्लिक करके आप वो कोड भरिए, ये कोड भर के इस पे क्लिक करिए और कोड भरिए. My God, the moment I'm trying to copy, somebody is writing something. And once you fill up the code is 64511540. Nice number, no? Sandhya ma'am, thank you. So let me see, why is it not showing? देखते हैं क्या. Oh wow, so many of you are responding. ये क्या हो गया? Yeah, 3 responses. Others can also write code is 64511540. हम यहाँ कोड भी हम लिख देते हैं 64 645111540. This is the code 645111540. I can wait for 30 seconds. Any word that wonderful teaching, learning, pupil, anything, art integrated learning में क्या क्या शब्द आपके दिमाग में आते हैं? Only 3 people have responded till now. Oh, there are many who have responded. Role play, fun, activity, teaching, wonderful. Experience, yes. Superb is not the word. Superb is not the word. If somebody has written 1, 2, 3 number, you can put motivation in the Menti, ma'am. Link. Link to aaj वैसा वाला link नहीं आ रहा because we have to change. I told you, no, we have to be creative. बहुत सारे तरीके आपको जानने पड़ेंगे ना. कोड भेज दिया www.menti.com and collaboration. Wow, wonderful. This is the first time this word has come, collaboration with art integrated learning, which is very true. Activity, very effective. Okay, role playing, creating, wonderful. Empathy, all these things can be put in the Menti to store ho jayega na. Thank you. Somebody's 55 responses. Singing, puppet making, wonderful. Not able to respond, Nazia Parveen ma'am. You please go to www.menti.com. इस क्लिक में लिंक करिए, इस लिंक में क्लिक करके कोड ये वाला भरिए 645111540. इमा, व्हाट इज दिस? इतने 58 responses. Wow, wonderful. 60 responses. 63. I'll wait for 70. And then we can, आप भरते रहिएगा. And you know, I think put it wonderful meeting, ma'am. Okay, thank you. Thank you. All those who are writing, you know, I'm getting energized. Wonderful. Password नहीं होता है, sir. There is a code 6451150. And I think, yes, Alka ma'am has put www.menti.com. बस अब एक रिस्पॉन्स की प्रतीक्षा है. One more response, then we progress further. Oh wow, 2 have come. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. 71 responses. Now I think I can progress further because हमें सेशन भी तो कंप्लीट करना है, आपको तरीके भी तो देने हैं. Oh, 78. हमने तो 70 बोला था, अभी शायद 80 हो जाएंगे. 81 हो गया. My God. So there are many more responses coming up. My God. So I think I have to go to the next slide. Those who are responding can respond. Oh my God. Those who are responding, continue to respond. We move on to the next slide, please. Now the elements of this framework. So all of you know what is so many words associated with it. So elements of this framework is, what are the objectives first? अब ज्ञान की बातें, education policies and framework जो हमने discuss किया. Then the main thing is, how are we going to bring about the transformation? किस तरह हम इसे implement करेंगे? Transaction and assessment. अब listen carefully. Transaction होता है कि कौन कौन involved होंगे इसमें. Home environment, very important is home environment. यदि बच्चे का home environment सही नहीं है, यदि teacher जो class में जा रही है उनका home environment सही नहीं है, then in that case there won't be 100% success. So बच्चे का home environment, teacher का home environment, दोनों का home environment सही होना जरूरी है. And curriculum, teaching learning materials and activities have to be age appropriate. वो भी होना अनिवार्य है. आप प्रेपरेटरी लेवल में सेकेंडरी लेवल का नहीं प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं लेसन प्लान. सो जो लेसन प्लान है फाउंडेशनल के लिए अलग होगा, प्रेपरेटरी के लिए अलग होगा. देन पेडागोजी, पढ़ाना, किस तरह से हम पढ़ा रहे हैं, दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू नो, how we transact. Yes, individual differences. Wonderful. देखिए, all of you are with me. जितना मेरे बोलने से पहले ही आप लोग लिख दे रहे हैं. Superb, a batch of intellectuals, I tell you. और कुछ भी हम पढ़ाते हैं, हम assessment किस लिए लेते हैं? Not to find out what they don't know, to find out how much we have been able to reach out to them, right? So assessment is very important. Oh, many people say CBSE is saying no test, no exam. Okay, no test, no exam, but assessment is a must. Not only, oh my God, thank you, thank you. Somebody is complimenting me. I think I should thank Alice ma'am. Thank you. So see, why is assessment? Thank you, Saroj ma'am. Why is assessment important? Not to know what they don't know, what the children don't know, but to assess how much we have been able to reach out to them. If you feel what I'm saying is true, put a T in the chat box, a capital T, otherwise a small t. So how many, Sandhya ma'am, as usual, the first one to respond? Oh, so many capital T's. Matlab, all of you are there with me. अर्थात हम एक ही रास्ते पे हैं. अब देखिए, art integrate. अच्छा, one more thing. These are my school pictures. Okay, I have taken my school pictures with activities. So please don't think that कहाँ से picture उठाते हैं, madam. These are my school pictures. So that copyright is there. That's why I have taken these pictures. So art integrated learning is based on learning through arts and learning with arts. Okay, अब बताइए difference क्या है? Learning through arts, learning with arts में it is a process where art becomes the medium of teaching. अब देखिए, एक आप गाने को माध्यम बनाएंगे, ठीक है, आप ड्राइंग को माध्यम बनाएंगे, ड्राइंग का माध्यम बनाएंगे तो एक फिश बना दिया, एक फ्लावर बना दिया, और बड़े बच्चों के लिए दिल बना दिया, हार्ट. Okay, I don't know why they draw this kind of heart. Heart is always like this. तो बना दिया, किडनी बना दिया, अलग डायग्राम्स बना दिए, पिक्चर्स बना दिए. So a lot of things we are teaching through arts, through painting. But you can teach it through poems also. आप कविताएं भी बना सकते हैं, छोटे छोटे 4 लाइनर्स राइम्स भी बना सकते हैं. किसी ने मना तो नहीं किया, बच्चे ज्यादा सीखेंगे. I had told in my Bal Vatika sessions that English and Hindi bilingual, that Incy Wincy spider climbed upon the wall. Up came the rain and spider fell down. Up came the sun and spider climbed up. Like that. So the same way, if the Hindi version of this is, yes, melody, children will learn better. Hindi version of this is इंसे विंसी मकड़ा ऊपर चढ़ गया, पानी बरसने लगा, मकड़ा गिर गया, पानी सूरज चमकने लगा, मकड़ा उठ गया. So these are small things, but children will learn. Even with singing, when you sing, it is ये कला का प्रदर्शन नहीं होता. जब आप गाना गाते हैं बच्चों के साथ, ये कला का प्रदर्शन नहीं है. It is not exhibiting your art और टैलेंट, ये भक्ति और इन्वॉल्वमेंट का प्रदर्शन है. So when you sing, don't feel ऊपर संकोच के साथ मत गाइए, right? See why? Because I may not be a singer, but I can reach out to you, right? If I have to say, there's a small, there's a rhyme in English and Hindi for the kids. So you say, how do you teach them happiness? Because that is what is missing these days. इतने एनईपी कर रहे, सब कर रहे, लेकिन हैप्पीनेस इज मिसिंग बड़े बच्चों में. क्यों वो खुश नहीं है? तो उनको बताइए, yes, सूरज गोल चंदा गोल, very good, very good. So, and there is a song on happiness also. Time to be happy is now and the place to be happy is here. Right? But the way to be happy is to make others happy, and we'll have a little heaven right here. उसी का हिंदी, खुशी का समय है अब, खुशी की जगह है ये, अगर खुशी चाहते हो तो खुशी बांट लो, यहाँ छोटा सा स्वर्ग बना लो. So these are some of the things which will enable them to focus on your sayings. और बच्चे आपके साथ रहेंगे, राइट? जिस तरह हम चाहते हैं आप हमारे साथ रहे, उसी तरह बच्चे. अरे हम लोग तो ऑनलाइन हैं, आप तो बच्चों को साक्षात देखेंगे, बच्चे आपके साथ रहेंगे. यदि आपके साथ है तो आप उनको कुछ भी सिखा सकते हैं. इफ यू फील व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज राइट, पुट एन आर इन द चैट बॉक्स प्लीज. Thank you. Somebody is not nice singing or not, I don't know, but reaching out to people that I know. अब बताइए, आर्ट इंटीग्रेशन इन एजुकेशन, कितने सारे आर्ट फॉर्म्स हैं, ये तो आप देख ही रहे हैं. विजुअल आर्ट्स में क्या क्या है, ड्राइंग, पेंटिंग, मोरल्स, मोरल्स इज द exhibits, collage, crafts, sculptures. Anything else? If I have missed out something in visual art other than the smart board, you can put it here, right? और इसमें क्या है, परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट में क्या है, थिएटर, डांस, folk art, puppet show. In case I have, Jyoti ma'am, thank you. In case I have missed out anything, you can put it. Bits of paper falling on the ground, right? Clap your hands when you're happy and you know it. So many things are there. अब देखिए, जनरल असेंबली में टीचिंग लर्निंग के समय और जो इंटर हाउस एक्टिविटीज होते हैं ना, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं, राइट? थैंक यू दीक्षा मैम. So I don't know why you are complimenting now. It is time for me to end or time to say thank you. अब देखिए, आर्ट इंटीग्रेटेड लर्निंग का एक ये जो पिक्चर है, दिस सिंपली डिपिक्ट्स द डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स, यू नो, क्या है, होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट है बच्चों का. देखिए, ये देखते हैं ट्रांसफॉर्मेटिव एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ एनसीएफ. इसमें पंचकोशा कॉन्सेप्ट है. पंचकोश में बच्चों में क्या, कौन से कोश होते हैं, माने कोशास इज द तत्व, क्या कैसे बच्चे डेवलप करते हैं. एक अन्नमय कोशा, अन्न रिलेट्स टू खाना पीना, एनर्जी, ग्रोथ. एक प्राणमय कोशा, प्राण रिलेट्स टू ब्रीदिंग, यू नो, मेडिटेशन. ज्ञानमय कोशा रिलेट्स टू इंटेलेक्ट, राइट? आनंदमय कोशा रिलेट्स टू स्पिरिचुअलिज्म. मनोमय रिलेट्स टू इमोशनल. देखिए, तो खाना, अन्न रिलेट्स टू खाना, सेंसेस, यू नो, ऑल द फिजिकल डेवलपमेंट. देन एनर्जी, एनर्जी इज थ्रू ब्रीथिंग, प्राणिक विकास. उसके बाद आता मनोमय, इमोशनल एंड मेंटल डेवलपमेंट. देन कम्स द इंटेलेक्चुअल, बौद्धिक विकास. ओके, एंड जिसमें हम लोग सब इसी एरिया को टारगेट करते हैं. बट ये पांचों एरिया बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. हम ये नहीं पूछते बच्चों ने टिफिन क्या खाया, कैसे खाया, वेदर दे आर हंग्री, बट वी से कितनी पढ़ाई की, कितना होमवर्क किया, कैसे किया. सो दिस इज वेयर वी नीड टू मॉडिफाई आवरसेल्व्स. इसका ये मायने कतई नहीं है कि आप बच्चों के लिए कंसर्न नहीं है. ये अर्थात कि आप बच्चों से इसलिए मार्क्स के विषय में पूछते हैं बिकॉज यू आर इंटरेस्टेड टू नो हाउ मच द चाइल्ड हैज लर्न्ड इन टर्म्स ऑफ द बौद्धिक विकास. बट इट इज कंप्लीट होलिस्टिक. आपको जानना है बच्चे ने खाया कि नहीं, बच्चे में एनर्जी कैसी है. आपको जानना है बच्चे में एस्थेटिक सेंस है कि नहीं, और ये भी जानना है इमोशनली, मेंटली बच्चा कितना स्ट्रांग है, राइट? अब देखिए, learners will explore creatively while building connections between different concepts or different art forms. So visual art, auditory art, everything is important. ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है? देखिए, आर्ट एजुकेशन का टू मेक जॉयफुल लर्निंग, एंगेजिंग देम. सभी बातें हुई हमारे साथ. वैल्यूज, एनवायरमेंटल वैल्यूज, सेंसिटिविटी टुवर्ड्स एनवायरमेंट, स्पॉन्टेनियस एक्सप्रेशन. Yes, did the child have a good sleep or not? My God, wonderful. We have real good teachers here. Amardeep Kujur sir, wonderful. पहले सबसे बात वही तो, होम एनवायरनमेंट में वही हमें चेक करना है. देखिए, एट टाइम्स वी गेट बग्ड अप कि हम ये इतना कुछ पेरेंट्स के लिए क्यों करें. बट हम पेरेंट्स के लिए नहीं करते. हमें जो करना हम अपने बच्चों के लिए करते हैं. फॉर अ टीचर द सब्जेक्ट इज द चाइल्ड. If you feel what I've said is right, a capital R in the chat box. Wonderful. Sandhya ma'am, as usual, the first one. Right, right. So to make aware of the other connections, interdisciplinary connections, and encourage children for concept learning, that is more important. अभी देखिए, अभी 5 minutes में हम लोग steps करेंगे. कैसे steps करेंगे? Steps of art integrated learning: proper planning and activities, useful resources, space, time management, and assessment. This is very important. So these are the 5 steps. A job well planned is half done. Planning बहुत important है. And इसमें no ego. All teachers have to sit, narrate their experience, plan, observe in the class, come back with review, again replan. क्योंकि अभी हमें कम से कम 1-2 साल तो लग ही जाएंगे सेट होने में, right? Then resources. You know, एक टूथपेस्ट का कवर भी आपके लिए रिसोर्स हो सकता है. वो जो कैरी बैग भी आपके लिए रिसोर्स हो सकते हैं. पत्ते भी आपके लिए रिसोर्स हो सकते हैं. पिकनिक में जाते हैं तो स्टोन्स भी आपके लिए रिसोर्स हो सकते हैं. एनीवेयर यू गो, दिमाग आपका रिसोर्स टीचिंग लर्निंग मटेरियल में हो जाता है. स्पेस तो बहुत चाहिए. क्लास में यू हैव टू एंश्योर दैट चिल्ड्रन आर केप्ट, you know, they get in ample space. One corner, display corner, Then time management is, ये तो सभी लोग बोलते हैं, all teachers have a problem with how to manage with the time, so many things, but सब होगा, and assessment we have discussed. So first strategy is capacity building. We cannot have only the teachers orientation, we have to have parents orientation, school managing committees orientation as well. If you agree with me, put an A in the chat box. Yes. Planning. पहले तो हमें सीखना है व्हाट इज आर्ट इंटीग्रेटेड लर्निंग मेथोडोलॉजी, फिर हमें उस पे काम करके एक्सपीरियंस लेना है, जो अभी हम लोग कर रहे हैं. कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग प्रोग्राम हो गया, अभी सेशन हो गया, आप फिर अपने तरीके से कुछ फाइंड आउट करेंगे, शेयर करेंगे, बातें करेंगे. देन यू हैव टू, यू योरसेल्फ, देयर इज नो वन मेथड और टेक्निक, टीचर्स और पार्टिसिपेंट्स, यू योरसेल्फ हैव टू प्लान द मेथड्स एंड टेक्निक. यदि आपके बच्चे गाने से सीखते हैं, आपके बच्चे पीपीटी से सीखते हैं, आपके बच्चे व्हाट्सएप में सीखते हैं, आपके बच्चे डांस से सीखते हैं, पोएम से सीखते हैं, स्टोरी से सीखते हैं, जिसमें भी आपके बच्चे सीखते हैं, आपको सब वो अडॉप्ट करना होगा. टाइम कैसे करेंगे, इसमें थोड़ा सा नैक है. टीचर्स हैव टू प्लान देयर टाइमिंग. कुछ एक्टिविटीज स्कूल असेंबली में हो जाएंगे, मॉर्निंग असेंबली में. कुछ एक्टिविटीज, कुछ ज्ञान आप फेस्टिवल के समय दे सकते हैं, कुछ ज्ञान आप बच्चों को स्टोरी टेलिंग में दे सकते हैं, कुछ ज्ञान आप बच्चों को सब्स्टिट्यूशन में दे सकते हैं. जैसे अभी, थैंक यू, somebody is writing very innovative session. जैसे अभी हमने मेंटी में किया, तो अभी आगे पैडलेट पे भी काम करेंगे. ठीक है. So no special time is required. और एक बहुत important activity, bagless days. That I think throughout the year we have to plan for our children. Resource planning. Resource planning is very important क्योंकि आप ही, you are the best resource and which will add on to newness. Same resources से काम मत करिए. You keep changing. Thank you, sir. Somebody is writing excellent session. Then regular research and extensive groundwork. ये बहुत important है. रेगुलर रिसर्च एंड एक्सटेंसिव. क्यों? अभी हमने बोला आप रिव्यू करेंगे, आप anything that you feel the children will learn and will the learning will be permanent, impactful, right? 5 P's I have come across with. Yes, story is wonderful. Abhishek sir, thank you. 5 P's. वो 5 P's क्या है? पहला तो आपका परसेप्शन, ये एक्टिव लिसनिंग इन द क्लासरूम, आउट इन द नेचर. सिर्फ एक जगह बच्चों को ऐसे बिठा के नहीं पढ़ाइए. यू टेक देम आउट, लेट देम गो अराउंड, लेट देम ग्रो, लेट देम एंजॉय द नेचर. प्रैक्टिस मेक्स अ मैन परफेक्ट. फॉर देयर प्रोफिशिएंसी प्रैक्टिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. परसिवियरेंस. नहीं हो पा रहा है, छूट जा रहा है, कुछ भी हो रहा है, एंजॉय द लर्निंग. See, when we know torture is inevitable, we should learn how to enjoy it. Patience. Patience is the mother of all virtues. Yes, confidence building in students. Passion. Be excited about your work. Positive environment. Learning through arts and learning with arts. How? Big how. होम एनवायरनमेंट प्लेज अ की रोल. देखिए घर का एनवायरनमेंट कैसे हो सकता है, कैसा होना चाहिए. सेफ एंड वेल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड. अभी एक बच्चे को पेरेंट्स लेकर आए, किसी बच्चे ने उसको मार दिया तो उसको यहाँ खरोच आ गया. पेरेंट हैज गिवन वन स्लैप सो बैड कि गाल पट गए हमें. अब आप सोचिए क्या डिफरेंस है छोटे बच्चों में और पेरेंट्स में. इसीलिए सेफ एंड वेल ऑर्गेनाइज फिजिकल एनवायरनमेंट होना बहुत जरूरी है. केयरिंग एंड फ्रेंडली एटीट्यूड ऑफ पेरेंट्स. अभी देखिए बच्चे पहले कच्ची मिट्टी की तरह होते थे, हम आकार प्रकार देते थे, वी वर मोल्डिंग. नाउ फ्रॉम मोल्डिंग तो अभी बहुत चेंजेस आ गए हैं, तरल पदार्थ हो गए. नाउ होल्डिंग. फ्रॉम मोल्डिंग टू होल्डिंग. इफ यू आर टू स्ट्रिक्ट द तरल पदार्थ फ्लोज, इफ यू आर टू लीनियंट इट फ्लोज आउट. इसीलिए आप बच्चों के साथ एक यू हैव टू बी फ्रेंडली, नॉट देयर फ्रेंड्स. ओके. Give them opportunity to learn, explore, play, and grow. Developmentally appropriate textbooks and notebooks. अब देखिए क्या क्या कंटेंट्स हो सकते हैं और किस तरह आप ऑर्गेनाइज कर सकते हैं. सभी चीजें हमने डिस्कस की है. यू हैव ओनली सेड प्रोजेक्ट बेस्ड, स्टोरी बेस्ड, थीम बेस्ड, ऑल दिस. पेडागोजी में प्लानिंग फॉर टीचिंग, बिल्डिंग अ पॉजिटिव रिलेशनशिप, लर्निंग थ्रू प्ले, स्ट्रैटेजी फॉर लिटरेसी एंड न्यूमरेसी, एंड क्रिएटिंग अ पॉजिटिव culture in the class. So this is about the planning. Then classroom management. आप अपने क्लास में थोड़ा सा समय दीजिए बात करने में, which I have already said. Let the children form their own groups and learn. Make sitting arrangement conducive. There should be periodic changes in the group formation, and give them one area of display. A museum corner in the class, or community involvement. अब थोड़ा थोड़ा झलक देखते हैं. These are the subjects where teaching learning process will take place. आप देखिए, in English, through poetry, through role play, through story, through puppets, through clay modeling, spinning a yarn, storytelling, and scrapbook. Right? English का देखिए, comic strip से सीख रहे हैं बच्चे. These are some of the pictures. Theater से बच्चे सीख रहे हैं. Science में concept can be given through story. Tell them about astrology, astronomy, role play. Lot of things are there. The craft work, modeling, dance, and lot of the activities can be done in science. Now when it goes to maths, कुछ आप डालिए इसमें maths का craft ideas. Yes, for maths, how can we go ahead? For science, we have done so many things. For mathematics, what activities can be done? Acting, then. For mathematics, what can we do? Okay, देखते हैं. Pattern drawing, rangometry, Varli art, mandala art. They will say how. देखिए, rangometry बच्चे बना रहे हैं. इसमें बच्चों का geometrical concept clear हो जाता है. So they're sitting and working, and you see all these, they kept there. Yes, real objects, patterns, and all. See, Varli art, mock elections for social studies, poster making. These are some of the activities. Say inter-family activity time, activities. This is the school cabinet elections. I have taken pictures from my own school. You can see in the net, there will be a lot of pictures. Now see, some language activities, language and linguistic. Ab dekhiye. Now it is your turn. 2 minutes, absolutely 2 minutes, for what is the difference between art education and arts education. This is a Padlet link. I will share the link here. I will put the link in the chat box. This no? Copy link. And I will put the link in the chat box. Yes, you can start working on this. Just click on the link and it will take you to the Padlet. Just give your opinion and put your name, please. We can see it now. Oh, so many people have started answering already. That means Padlet has become popular now. The sooner you finish, the closer we will be to the end. Please put in the Padlet, all of you, and publish your Padlet with your name, please. You have 2 minutes for this activity. And I'm so glad most of you are answering. Many are writing, but nobody is published. What is the difference between art education and arts education? Number play card. Please put it in the, I'm putting the link again. Just click on the link, you will go to the Padlet. We made things so easy. The link has gone in the good habits is what? Art or arts integration. Please put. Manish sir is writing, to define art education broadly, the process of teaching, learning how to create and produce the visual art. Okay, absolutely, sir. So many of you have responded. Somebody has written good habitats. What good habitats? How? How does it relate to art? Learning with art and learning. Yes. Education in art focuses on improving teaching and research skills. Absolutely. While art in education focuses. Oh, wonderful. I'm going to use it for my next session. Most of you are publishing, and I think, but the name written is Excited butterfly. My God. Wow. How do I acknowledge? Kavita Sinha ma'am is writing focus on taking these creative ideas. Oh, wow. Excited butterfly, charming urchin, artistic. This is art education. Super. Artistic bee. Wonderful. Valiant elephant. Playful peacock. My God. I don't know. I mean, the participants are writing or Padlet is giving these names. Superb, superb. You know, I can give half a minute extra. Okay. If you are still publishing, you can publish. We will move on to the next slide. Just a minute. Why is it not coming? Escape will do. Yes. Now you see, there is a format for suggestion. It is just a format. It is suggested. It is not compulsory, right? So you can make a format to plan activity of art integrated learning, class, subject, theme, chapter, art forms, resources, you know, all this. Then planning of art experiences, follow up with exercises, very important, then assessment, and then linking of this with the concepts of themes so that it can be reused and reused, right? So this is just a suggestion, not, you know, not the permanent thing. That's assessment for further learning objectives. These are some of the things we should know. Guiding principles of assessment. Then methods and tools is checklist. Event sampling. Yes, thank you all those who are giving such wonderful compliments. Portfolios and photographs. Then worksheets. Then you will analyze children's responses for effective teaching. And what is most important is documentation and communicating the assessment. जब आप एक दूसरे से share करेंगे, because actual growth is in collaboration, not in competition. We discussed just now competition to competence. जब आप share करेंगे दूसरों से, तब जाकर everybody will learn. We don't have to reinvent the wheel, and that is again art integrated learning. So these are some of the sites references that I have referred to. And assessment through art integrated learning helps the facilitator to move away from the traditional pen and paper or oral and recall methods towards a continuous and comprehensive assessment method, which can help assess both learning of the subject as well as the socio-emotional development of the subject, जिसके लिए हम holistic progress report card करते हैं, HPC, holistic progress report card, right? Any questions? You can put in the chat box. Now you can put in the chat box whatever you want to before I put the most important slide. The most important slide. No, ma'am. Somebody's writing. Oh, thank you for all the good compliments. It has kept me motivated, at least till my next session. And the wonderful chat box responses, I'm going to capture and keep so that I can use it for the next session. Wonderful. Okay, so you're all writing nice. Thank you. So thank you so much. If there are no questions, I will just need some time to. Oh, thank you, Poonam ma'am, Alice ma'am, all those who are writing. Wonderful session. Thank you so much for the compliment. Yeah. So what I'll do is I'll stop sharing. Yes. And now just let me capture now I can see all the chats. Thank you once again. Thank you all the participants, PSSC, JSSC, and the principals of the participating schools. A great many thanks. Just let me be in to capture the chat box responses before I leave.